Hello guys, this is Jahid. Welcome to Foxflow. In this video, we are going to see how we can add chat functionalities into our WordPress website. It's going to be a step-by-step process and it's pretty easy and beginner friendly, so you can start doing it just after watching this video. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. The first thing we need is a plugin. The name of the service is Twak.to, or you can pronounce it whatever you want. So it's a free service, so it's a win-win situation for both the user and the company as well. So you're not gonna pay anything because they don't have any plan yet, so it's free forever mode. The only thing is they will have their credits on your chat box, so that's the trade-off that you have to bear with. So let's get started. So first thing we are going to do, we are going to search for this plugin name. I'm going to open my WordPress and then I'm going to search for the plugin name. Yeah, so I have prompted with all the plugins option, but the one I am interested in is created by Twak.to themselves, and I'm going to install that. Click on install. Once it is installed, click on activate. Okay, so our plugin is activated. Now we have to connect it with the services. So go to settings. As you can see, they are saying you have to log in with your email and password. So I'm going to open their panel and I'm going to create an account. Okay, so I'm going to click on sign up free. I'm setting it up for a friend, so I don't know actually the email address and all. So I'll just create the account and I'll get back to you. So guys, as you can see, my account is created successfully. Now they are telling me to select a language. I'm going to select English, and then I'm going to click on create property. Then I'm going to give the website name, which I can find from here, and then I'm just going to uppercase the first character, and then I'm going to copy the website URL, and then I would like to say it just, you can put any name you want, that doesn't matter. Then team members, I don't think you need to do that right now. I don't need right now, so I'm just going to click on install widget, or I can just click on skip to go to the next step. Just I'm going to click on install widget. So I am using WordPress, so I'm not gonna download the plugin as we have already done that. Just click on done. Okay, so we are pretty much done now setting up the Twak account. Now we have to connect the Twak account to our WordPress dashboard. So I don't want a tour as I am already familiar with the setup. So now I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to select my account, and then I'm going to write my credential, and then I'm going to click on sign in. Once I'm signed in, then I can, okay, so it's done. So now you have to select a property. Remember, we have set up the property at the time of onboarding. So I'm just going to select the property, and then the main website, which is the widget we have selected, and now click on this green button which says use selected widget. Okay, we are pretty much done. Now if I view the website, see, we have the chat window. Now anyone can chat with us. So if I chat with if I enter something, it will go to my dashboard and it will start ringing. See, now I can manage all my chats from here. And one more perks that I haven't tell you about, that is this services has their own mobile apps for iOS and Android, so you can download that and then you can chat with your customers anytime you want. So few more things that I would like to do is we would like to customize the color of this this icon. So how do we do that? You can go here, but you cannot see any style options, so we have to do it from the dashboard itself. So go to settings and then go to chat widget. Okay, so we are at the chat widget customization panel. Now we can choose color from here. So I'm going to choose the website primary color, which is purple, I think, but I don't really remember. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just choose any random color just for showing you. So I'm just going to choose a hard red color. Don't choose this one because this looks very old. Okay, so I'm just going to choose the widget color and we are done. So once we are done, just there is no save button, so it's automatically synced. So just go and refresh your page and then you can see the changes in real time. So just wait and see, we have the changes. Even you can change this sticker as well. They have 4 to 5 sticker. You can upload your custom avatar as well. So let me show you how you can do that. So first thing we need to do, the option should be here, but I don't know, they have changed something. So just click, yeah, so you have to click on advanced and then you can choose the you can go to gallery and then you can choose from their predefined pre-created PNGs, or you can upload your own. So the possibilities are endless. You can customize the widget the way you want, so there is no limit and there is no payment. You don't have to pay a penny, so just go and use it. And if this video helped you, then hit the like button, and for more content like this, subscribe the channel. And you can follow us on Twitter handle will be on the description. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, bye.